Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me OPPO A98 device, and now I'm gonna show you how to clean your USB charging port using the household items. So, firstly, you need to remember one rule: never use metal objects to clean the connector so as not to damage your USB charging board. I suggest to use an old toothbrush, which you no longer use. As you can see, there is something in my port that prevents the charging cable from going all the way into the connector, and now we are going to try to clear it. So it's very easy to clear. You just need to insert the one part of the brush into the connector and just pry the dirt out. That's it. And you can do it with different types of dirt. And of course, you can't do it with sweet dirt. For example, if you have I don't know, candies inside, so maybe this brush will not help you. In this situation, I suggest you ask for official OPPO service, official OPPO service center to help you with this trouble. But if you have debris or dirt, or I don't know, a piece of paper and other types of dirt, so you can do it using the toothbrush. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye! See you!